Billionaire Elon Musk's AI chatbot, Grok, has been adopted by Twitter users and crypto enthusiasts alike. When asked to look at the bullish and bearish outlook, it gave a surprising prediction that Bitcoin will reach a maximum of $100,000 this year, supported by spot ETFs and halving cycles. Grok is different from other AI chatbots in that it is considered a more open model. Since it provides direct access to user posts on Twitter, it can provide more immediate information. Finbold experiments with the new model and asked Grok to make bullish and bearish predictions for Bitcoin, followed by a brief analysis. It responded that in a bullish outlook, Bitcoin would trade between $85,000 and $100,000. Given the recent approval of the Bitcoin spot ETF and the upcoming block subsidy halving in April 2024, Bitcoin could see significant upward momentum. If the approval of a spot ETF leads to an increase in institutional adoption and the halving slows down the creation of new Bitcoins, this could create a supply crunch and push up prices, Grok Analysis said. The model also mentions, in addition, the increasing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies may also contribute to the price appreciation of Bitcoin. With these factors in mind, the bullish price prediction for Bitcoin will be between $85,000 and $100,000 by the end of 2024. At the same time, in a bearish outlook, Grok adjusted the price of Bitcoin from $30,000 to $40,000. On the other hand, the price of Bitcoin could be negatively affected by regulatory uncertainty or a global economic slowdown. If the government imposes stricter regulations on cryptocurrencies, or if the global economy falls into a recession, this could dampen investor sentiment and lead to a sell-off in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, it explained. But it's important to emphasize here that AI models are still error-prone, and investors must be cautious. Bitcoin has lost nearly 10% of its value since the first day of trading on the Bitcoin spot ETF, raising questions about Grok's talk of positive impact. In another experiment, when asked which token is best for Twitter payments, Grok answered with a token called Nano. Under the return of the Bitcoin bull market, the Nano token rebounded at the end of 2023, and as of Thursday, January 18, the price of Nano was at $1.11, an annual increase of 44.26%. According to Grok, the reason for the selection of Nano was based on 10 key points, which it believes that the token has the simplest user experience, maximizes decentralization, minimizes usage limits, minimizes errors, minimizes latency, minimizes throughput limits, minimizes fees, minimizes supply inflation, minimizes resource waste and environmental impact, and maximizes divisibility. To make sure that no hints were given to Grok before the experiment when asked if it had received a shared prompt, Grok responded, "No, that was with 0 prior prompts, and that was my first attempt. I've tried it several times, about 2/3 of the time, and it goes straight into the Nano." However, it's unclear to what extent the AI is influenced by Twitter users' history and personal preferences for their answers, which inadvertently influences the outcome of interacting with Grok.